let's switch to custom mode and explore how the parcel will appear when you customize it with your own design. Please note that inputting multiple buildings is only possible under custom mode. Now, you have your bar-type building with podium parking. Let's move the building slightly outside the blue-colored area. This blue area represents your podium. Notice how your building material changes to red. This indicates that your building has now moved out of the podium parking site, and you won't be able to generate solutions like this. To correct this, simply move your building back into the podium footprint area, and your building will get its pretty sky blue color back again. If you've moved the building already but want it to perfectly align with your podium again, we recommend turning off the podium parking option and then turning it back on. This action will help ensure that the podium and building structure align properly. For your podium parking, you can adjust the length by clicking on the dot and dragging it around. Let's make this spot a little bigger. If you want to fine-tune the shape, click on the blue dots to divide the line, allowing you to create whatever shape you desire. Remember to use the white dots to adjust the size and the blue dots for dividing purposes only. Now, let's proceed to the residential building. You currently have the bar-type building A situated on your podium. You can adjust the length of the structure by clicking on the white dots or inputting specific values in the designated box. For example, I'll input 80 feet. To rotate the structure, simply right-click your mouse. Select residential because we're going to target the residential building rather than the podium parking. Then choose rotate. You can utilize this to make the necessary adjustments. Next, I'll add another residential building structure to the same podium parking area. Scroll down and click Add Residential, and you'll notice both buildings turn red, indicating that there's an error. Let me correct this by readjusting their positions to ensure compliance. Do you observe the proximity between these two structures? To mitigate this, I want to make the building into a single loaded corridor. By selecting the red line in the middle of the structure, I'll activate this feature. Following confirmation, the corridor will now be single loaded. I'll then proceed to remove rooms on the other side of this building using the same method. Now let me move on and show you how to edit the podium parking. Once you've generated solutions, click on See All Details. If you click on See All Details, you see all these information for a multiple building solution as well. And now, let's move to 3D/Floor Plan tab. Alright, so we are finally in Edit Solutions, and here you can again edit the driveway or click Site Work and Driveway to create more as you did earlier. You can also move and rotate the building using a right click. I'll just delete the new driveway I've just created because it doesn't make any sense. For the podium, the Zenerate modular feature offers enhanced flexibility for layout adjustments. Just right-click on the podium and select Edit Layout. From there, you can make refinements with a white dot, such as shortening or elongating the driveway. It's important to note that modifying the layout may result in some parking stalls becoming unavailable due to spatial constraints. Here is the small box with two arrows in it, and it indicates the entrance for the parking lot. You have the freedom to relocate this entrance, but it's crucial to ensure its placement is practical and feasible. For instance, positioning it directly adjacent to a parking stall would not be sensible from a design perspective. To create a driveway connected in and out of the building, simply draw a path from the entrance to the driveway outside. Then, I'll uncheck them to only add the pathway, not the parking stalls. To showcase our ramp customization feature, let me switch the floor map. For a two-story parking podium, it's essential to have a ramp for accessing the different floors. Here inside the podium, you'll notice a box with a triangle in it, representing the ramp. Right-click on the ramp element, then choose Move on Driveway to position the ramp along the driveway, and even flip it, if necessary. Now let's edit our podium usage. Here, click on Add. Instead of choosing Drive Aisle, select Other Use and add Office. Now you can allocate an area on the podium as office. Assigning a portion of the podium to office will impact the detailed report of the solution. I'll show you. Let me save this. And these adjustments will also have an impact on the financial report displayed at the bottom of the solution card. If you go to the details and click on area breakdown, you'll find more square feet allocated to office area.